If you're looking for the perfect Valentine eyeshadow, then this video is a definite watch for you. So the first thing you want to grab is your concealer. You're going to use this as an eyeshadow primer base and basically just blend it out. I'm leaving everything in real time so that you can see that you genuinely just have to take your time sometimes. You don't rush and you get it right. Then I went ahead to use powder all over my lid just to set the concealer that I just placed. I'm going in with this brown shade and I really like this brown shade because it's very pigmented. I'm going to be focusing into the outer corner of my eye and basically just applying it there first and making sure that there's a lot of intensity there before I now go ahead and start blending it out. This is to give that winged lifted effect, as you can see, and then I did the other side as well. You want to go ahead and use your transition shade. These are the two transition shades I use, and you're going to be applying this just on top of the brown shade that you just blended out. This is basically to give it that soft filtered look, like so that it doesn't look harsh or unblended. You want to go ahead and apply a bright eyeshadow at the brow bone of your eyes. This is basically just to give you that highlighted effect that is still matte. You don't want it to look too shiny. To cut your crease, what you want to do is apply your concealer on your lid and then look up. This will help to show the exact place that will be perfect to cut your crease, especially if you're a hooded eye girly like me. This is a trick that has been working since 06, really. I went ahead to just set the cut crease with a matte eyeshadow because we're going to be using shimmers today and I really love shimmers. I'm using this pink shade from this palette. I actually did think it was going to come out more pink than it did, but it came out more of like a glazy white than a pink, which is still very beautiful, but I wanted color. So after I applied this everywhere, I still went ahead to apply another eyeshadow, another shimmer eyeshadow that was pink. You're going to be seeing it later on. This was when I added the pink shimmer. You can see it already that when the light is reflecting on my eyes, it's now reflecting pink rather than just looking glazed, and that was what I wanted. If you have hooded eyes like me, then half liners are your best friend. This will literally help to avoid those weird looking eyeliners that they look cut out and whatnot. Use a half liner and it will do the job for you. So basically you're going to be drawing your liners but halfway through, and then you use a black eyeshadow to smudge it out, and this would help to give that winged effect even without drawing a full eyeliner. You want to go ahead and do the finishing touches, that is applying your mascara and then using your jumbo pencil or whatever black pencil you have just to tightline your eyes and put on your waterline as well, just to make the look even look more professional. When you finish tightening your eyes, make sure that you are smudging it out. This will help to still emphasize on the wing that we did not draw but we have. So it is very, very important. Just throw a pair of lashes on, and this is a look that when you're sitting across your man on Valentine's Day, he's going to be so starstruck. Like, he'll keep on looking at your eyes because they will look so beautiful. Well, if you have enjoyed this tutorial, do also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye besties.